Hi everyone and welcome back. As a UI designer, exporting images is something we do every day. So let's see how to export images and vector shapes in Figma. First, let's head to our example file, and in the export pages, we have our product page, and let's see how we can export those three product image. So first, let's hit Command key to select the image and go to the properties panel in the export section, hit plus, and here we have our image. We can adjust the size of our image in the export. We can change the format. You can pick between JPEG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. Let's keep it at PNG, and here we can preview our image. Let's hit export to export our image. Next, we can also export multiple images simultaneously. Hit shift, this command, and select the three image, hit plus, and export. Okay, save, place. Okay, that's cool. Now let me show you how you can export SVG images. For example, our vector shapes. Let's select, hit command and select those two icons. So in the layer panels, I want to pick the frame of the vector. Okay, so here we can export our icon as SVG format. So go to export, hit plus, and pick SVG and hit export, save. Okay, next let's see how we can export our product page as a PDF format. So select our page frame, and here to remove that, you can hit plus to export, pick PDF, and here we have the preview, and hit export and save. Okay, if we go to our desktop, here is all my image, and here is the PDF of my page. Okay, here are my icons, it's SVG, and those are the three product image. Next, let me show you how you can export your design file so you can save it in your local files. So here you can go in this Figma icon, which is the main menu. You can click, go to File, and Save Local Copy. Here, let's pick desktop and hit save. Let's go to our desktop. Yeah, this is our file. Okay, so that was everything for this part. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson.